What's up, gearheads? Welcome to another episode of Girl Cafe. We're here in Singapore at East Coast Park with an epic video for you guys. I know how much you guys love watching our last video. And actually, this is one of the same sets we actually shot from last time, and we love it so much we just love coming back. And since it's really close to home, we don't have to go very far to come and shoot. But guys, Singapore has lots to offer, including the new Jewel and a lot of other things that you got to see last video. But I'm going to touch on a few other things because I know how much you like it. Without further ado, welcome to Singapore. I told you guys that season 2 was going to be the best and baddest season that I've done so far. I wasn't about to lie to you. Welcome to IMDEX Asia 2019. Permission to come aboard? How are you, gentlemen?
Good to see you. How are you? How day?
Good, I'm good. John.
You want to tour the ship?
Yeah, sure. Guys, that's basically a wrap. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, do what moves you.